I was shopping around for a 6-pack of disposable AC filters when I stumbled across the reusable kind. These things look like they're made of pool filter mesh and can be hosed off whenever they get plugged up. The biggest user complaint I saw was about the frames coming apart, so I bought the cheaper frameless version and hoped for the best. I got mine from Poly-Flo Industries on eBay and skipped the multi-unit discount since these are supposed to last forever. Even the seller name sounds like a pool filter company. Poly-Flo says its filters are the most rigid in the industry, but that didn't keep postmen from folding it in half and shoving it in my mailbox. It's really not all that rigid, and I'm counting on its high airflow to prevent it from getting sucked into my AC fan. I ordered a 14 by 24 inch, and this one measures pretty well. Here it is installed with the AC running. I bent the corners of my frame to reduce fiber snags. You can also see where I previously used screws and a stick to square up the frame of my sloppily made duct. I was really surprised that the filter didn't bow inward with the fan running. I'll drop a note below about how well it holds up once it's loaded with dust, and might even extend this video if it gets sucked out of the holder.